tell ya about a place what Color Springs. We got funny critters sitting on logs, alligators in the swamp, and hyenas spreading their wings. I listen to the morning of Bible breathe and walk a Color Springs. It's so pretty, it'll make you sing and walk a Color Springs. Riding down the river feels just like a dream. It's the world's biggest spring, 120 feet deep. It's amazing. We got manatees, big and round. Look at that, I'll spray right around and walk a Color Springs. Watch out for the creature from the Black Lagoon. He's out there somewhere. Back in the jungle, Tarzan's wailing like a loon. He's out there too. Step into the lodge, 1937.